Ke MLA jong ke East Shillong Constituency ke Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh ke balayo alat iakren bat ki nongthoh khubor mene ke sengi ke iathuh ba ke rukom shah sospon jong ka ryngkat bat ki ngut kiwei pat ki para MLA na ke Seng Congress da ke All India Congress Committee ke long ke kaei ke ba Mlas ban pdiang ke iathuh ba baroh ngut ki la shah sospon kumba snem shiteng AA na ke Seng Congress hynrei ki nongialam kin iaineh bat ke Seng Congress ban pyndep ya ke samoi trei ke jong ki ha ka seng. Ha ka baya day bat ka rai jong ki ngut ki MLA ki bela shah sospon ha ki AICC ke Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh ke iathuh ba wat la ka Seng Congress ke ya le ban penkul mar khli ki hynrei kamla na mar kat kum ka demokrasi ni ka riti senchar light load jong ka ri India ki ngut ki la shim ka rai ban iaineh ha ka Seng Congress na mar ki don ka hok ban jit ya ka lenti ka baki kwa ban shim.
The system allows us to await taking further final decision. Like I said, the manner in which the suspension was issued was something that is not acceptable to the 5 MLAs. We had said that we had had in-house discussions on this matter. We leave it at that. Because if you go and you mudsling through the media and start bashing parties because of our predicament, it would not be correct for the 5 of us to take this debate further. The system allows us to remain this way because the Congress party has issued a suspension for a period of 3.5 years. Now, what that suspension means, why this period of 3.5 years was selected, we are not privy to any of those discussions. But the 5 of us will complete our terms as Congress legislators with or without the permission nor blessing of the MPs. You may speculate, but we will be smart with that. The system allows us to wait and watch. A suspension has serious interpretations. Why would you want us to have a political suicide that is not going to be good for us? You suspend, we wait, we hope they will expel. But if they don't expel, then the wait goes on. Where is the hurry? We are not in any hurry. It is the party that has suspended us. It's not that we have asked for suspension. So he who suspends will decide what he wants to do next. We are the victims here. No. Oh no. The Congress party has not freed us. They have not given us any freedom. They are trying to create complications for us, but it doesn't matter. That is something they are trying to do. We are in a democratic system wherein suspended MLAs can choose to remain suspended. We choose to remain suspended. Speculations about where we're going, we leave that to our supporters, because all 5 of us are in conversation with our respective supporters. Nothing is to be said officially. We await the expulsion, but if the expulsion is never going to happen, then let's see, after 3.5 years we may rejoin the Congress. But in between comes an election. Where we go to the election will be our choice.